Hi guys, myself HRUDAY and I'm back with a new DIY project video. And today in this video I'll be showing you to make a 9-volt battery connector. So without waiting any more time, let's get straight into the video. The materials required for this DIY project is an old 9-volt battery, soldering iron, soldering lead, plier with some wire and a scissor. Well, first I will be removing the casing of this 9-volt battery, then I will disconnect the wiring from these terminals and remove the terminal part. If you are opening a sealed battery, protection is very much important, so I will be using a pair of gloves to protect my hands. So guys, this is what we found inside this battery. This is the casing. This is the main battery, which contains all the chemicals. And here is the terminal. So now let me just remove this connecting part. So guys, here is the terminal which we took out from the battery. And as you can see, here is the hexagon shaped terminal. This will be positive terminal and the circle over here will be the negative terminal. So now let's solder the wires. So guys, I just finished soldering the wire to the terminal. I've even used the soldering flux because there was a lot of dirt, so the soldering was not that good, so I used this. I recommend even you to use the soldering flux. So now let's test this one. Guys, here is our 9-volt battery, and if you observe, the circular shape is the positive terminal and the hexagonal shape is the negative terminal. In the earlier part of the video, I said you to solder the positive wire to the hexagonal shape and the negative wire to the circular shape, because when we bring them in contact with each other, here is a positive terminal and here is a negative terminal. Now let's test our connector. For testing purpose, I'll be using my LED strip. Here, as you can see, this one is the positive terminal and this one is the negative terminal. In my case, the blue wire is the positive terminal wire and the black one is the negative terminal wire. So now let me connect the wires. I'm using this connector. The LED strip is glowing. That means our connector is working. That was it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then like the video, comment on the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for watching this type of videos. And until then, this is your buddy HRUDAY signing off.